Hello everyone, this is Ayush again with another video, and we started playing a streamer bot series, starting up with Samay Raina, and the other game I played is with Andrea Botes, and let's see how I fared in this one. So the idea was to play London, so d4, knight f6, and here is how it went. It was converted to the Indian game, and if you want to study about this opening, then A45 is the code. You can just search upon any database and you'll get it. Knight C3, attacking the pawn, bishop developing, E3, everything pretty much bookish. Bishop B5 check is bookish, knight is bookish, and there are two moves here. The first one being is bishop takes knight and pawn takes knight, and in this case people tend to go more because the double pawn weakens black structure, but I decided to go otherwise. I wanted this central bishop, so this is how it went. Exchange, and after this I put my knight on e2 because the bishop was threatening to take the knight, and instead of taking it with the pawn and creating a weakness, I'd rather take it with the knight, so that's the reason I bought the knight here. Castle, everything quite bookish. Pawn push, and yeah, the reason why I bought my knight here, it pays off, and this is how it worked. And while you are playing against a bot or an opponent who is better than you, you always tend to exchange pieces. करते जाओ, exchange करते जाओ and take it to the very end instead of complicating. And yeah, as bots don't make mistakes, and we do as humans, so that was my idea. Pawn push and see, that is what I'm contemplating here, exchanging everything there is to be. And my bishop was attacked, and again, if I would have exchanged it, then I would have a double pawn and black would have an entire open file here. So I just brought my bishop back and exchange. Now queen exchange is on the card, but Andrea Botes doesn't just take my queen simply, and this is how it went. Now she wanted to push the pawn, and I attacked the rook. And a shocking move by an 1800 elo bot, d2, pawn to d2. I mean, she just gave up this rook, and now I'm completely better, and it's just a matter of time that I just play and win it. It's a rook versus knight endgame, and all I have to take care about is I don't make any mistakes, and this is how it went. And see, notice this, guys. I'm making sure to take each and every pawn here because knights are tricky and they can fork you. Now black takes this pawn, defending his own, and now I'm offering this pawn, so if he takes, I take this. So yeah, it's pretty simple. And again, it's pretty simple now. Just bring your king into the game, make it more active, and here is how now I'm attacking this pawn and the black is attacking this pawn, but he doesn't take it. I don't understand the idea, but I'm better anyways. I'm attacking another pawn. Now black takes it, but now it's an extra pawn, so now he's gonna push and I'm gonna push, and now I wanted to push knight, but then he pushed his king away, and here is how I got the knight as well. And pawn push, and I just decided to give up my rook to simplify things, and I gave it up, and with two pawns and a king I was winning. So this is how it went, and I missed a lot of matings, but yeah, I'm not gonna discuss those right now. The link of the game is in the description below. Y'all can check it out. And this is how it went, and yes, here we go. We made Potes. And now, let me know in the comment section who do you want me to play next. Also check out the description, the list of bots that I've given. So pick one among them and just let me know.